Hi students, how are you? I think now you are getting in good position and day by day the environment is getting more better and this time you are in better condition. But one thing I will always suggest you that you have got so much information and so much materials you have stored. You have to go through all the things in your copy, write down it there and do all the works honestly. But before going to start class, I will going to suggest one thing more that whatever you are getting day by day, you should revise before begin to new things. You have to recall the old things also. In as much as when your examination will be held, at that time you are getting easy to do the things. So revise or recall all the things before doing the new things, and day by day you will feel that all the things will be completed nicely. Now today I am going to take class of 9 and I will going to apprise you today about modals, and the topic is must and must not. You have seen here the modals topic must and must not. So what do you say that what is must, where it will be used? Must is generally you know that we can use must where the things are very important or very necessary. So in other words you can say that it is used to express certainty. Wherever the certainty is there, must is used. So better how it will be used in different form I am not going to apprise. First it is that compulsion. You have seen here compulsion. In case of compulsion, what you know that you can better understand through this example. What is in case of compulsion? Student, in case of compulsion you that student face an interview or student must face an interview or written examination to get admission in this school. That means it is compulsion that before having admission here, you have to face an interview and written test. So in case of compulsion, you can understand with this example. Second example I am going to write down here. You must see the doctor at once. That means when you are getting ill, at that time it is compulsory that you must visit the doctor. You can't ignore it. It is a very necessary thing. You know that it is a matter of life and death. So you should not ignore it. You have to visit. You must visit the doctor, or you must go to check your problems. Now, in case of duty, I am going to apprise how it will be used. In case of duty, second is that in case of duty, better you can understand with this example. You must obey our parents and elders. We must serve our country. That means it is our duty. It is our duty that we must obey our parents and elders. We must serve our country. You know that this time, due to corona disease, so many problems are going there. So what happens? Whatever the requirement in the society, and whatever the things you are able to do, you can do all the things, and you must do the things in as much as for the survival of society, it is very necessary. So in case of duty, you can use this type of sentences can be used here. Third is that I am going to apply about necessity. In case of necessity, what happens? You better understand that student must face an entrance examination to study at this school. That it is necessity, it is compulsory that you must face an entrance exam to study at this school. It's very necessary. You must submit your dues on time. That means it is necessary that you must submit all the dues on time. Now the fourth things I am going to apply is that in case of strong recommendation, you have to use must. In case of strong recommendation, you have to use must. Like I am just going to apply to that. You must take the medicine for this cough. That means you are suffering from cough and cold, and doctors recommend you that anyhow you have to take medicine for this cough. That means they recommend it that medicine should be taken. In case of logical certainty, what happens in case of logical certainty? Must is also it is used to express must. How it will be used? Suppose it is getting dark. She must have left already. That means it is getting dark means that it meant he came to visit any place there, and that time what happens in the evening time, after some time it is getting dark, so it is better to leave that place. So she must have left already. That means due to getting dark, for the security of her, she must leave the place. This this address is this must be the address, this must be the right address. That means it is certain that this address is right, this must be the right address. Next, in case of obligation, how it will be used. You can better understand in this example. One must serve one's country. Second example, you can better understand. You must help your neighbor. That means it is our duty, it is our obligation. That means when you are going to serve our country, it is our obligation to fill his need. You must help your neighbor. That means when you are living in the society, at the time of need, you must have to support each other. Since it is a social courtesy, it is social duty, so in that case, must should be used. And where now I am going to apply that, where must not be used. Must not, where it can be used. In case of, you know that must not means, it means that you are prohibited for doing something. You are not supposed to do anything. Suppose this example you can understand that you must not drink so much. That means it is not good for your health. You must not laugh in the class. That you have prohibited that. What happens during the class session, if anybody do any mischief there, laugh and do any mischief there and disturb the teachers and the classes, that must not be done. It is our how it will be used. Now in the next video I will give the some assignment work. Thank you.